We have our database up and running. Now, we need to make our backend be able to connect and interact with it. The next few lessons will be focused on this integration. To achieve this, we'll use TypeORM. TypeORM is a robust ORM that is focused on TypeScript. It is very similar to Java's Hibernate ORM in design. Since it is considered one of the most mature ORMs in the Node.js ecosystem, we'll use it throughout the course. In case you are interested, there will be a module about Prisma in the full course. Prisma is another Node.js ORM that considers itself a next-generation ORM. So if you want to learn more about it, a module focusing on it will soon become available. But let's actually begin this new topic. So going back into the terminal, here we need to install some new dependencies. Which will be these. Now that they are successfully installed, we'll begin using TypeORM in the next lesson. See you there.